How we doing, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. Hey, it's Tuesday here. We're going to go over Ethereum and give you guys a little bit of price prediction, see where the market's going. Okay, let's dive in. Let's use these indicators down here. So we're going to take a look at the price versus money flow. I'm going to take price off just for now, and we're also going to look at the trend exhaustion. So we were just talking about this as a team earlier of just how accurate the trend exhaustion is. And so what I want to point out to you guys is a couple things. Whenever you see trend exhaustion in the top red section here, well money flow is high as well. This is where you guys need to be looking for the market drops back down. The correlation between trend exhaustion in the top red section and well money flow high is incredibly high in the chance of a reversal back down. In this case, looking for a drop. Now, when the trend exhaustion is low here and well money flow is low, this literally shows you guys the structures of crypto in this pair that we're talking about, Ethereum, is definitely oversold to the downside. We see wells are selling. And once they get down to this lower level, guys, they start switching from selling to buying. It is the craziest thing. It's like we can almost predict, like, what's the overall sentiment out there? Are traders going to stop selling now, or are they going to start buying? It's kind of crazy. So this shows you guys when the big money starts looking to buy the dip, that's usually when we see a move up. Now, is it going to happen every single possible time? Not every single time. There are going to be times where retail traders start freaking out. You know, we start seeing capitulation and people just start selling off, but there's other global events that can impact that. But for the most part, when we do see trend exhaustion low here and well money flow low here as well, that's when we're looking for the moves back up, and the correlation here is very, very high, okay? With that said, we've got a break and retest pattern that we're looking to form right now. So the next spot that everyone needs to be looking for the next scalping trade or the move back up on Ethereum is simply watching the trend exhaustion to be in the bottom red section right here and well money flow looking to see a move back down. That is where we're looking for the next move back up in crypto, and I think that could be putting us at a deeper touch here. So we already basically did a break and a retest, but I think we could head down here one more time a little bit further, getting some selling into the market, and that's where you guys want to look for the scalping trades back up to make some money. Real quick, guys, the indicators are on sale right now. You're getting an extra $50 off our bundle pack. This is the cheapest we will ever be having our indicators sold for, okay? You cannot get them lower than this price ever. This is it, so make sure you guys snag it. You have a few more days till Friday. We're going to up them on Friday, so make sure you snag that. Okay, now that we know the assessment of the market and what we're looking for, and now we can see from past historical data that we're looking for this move back down here, let me show you guys the actual charts of what we're looking at. So we're going to come over here. We're going to go to tradeconfident.io. We're going to go to the charts, and we're going to scroll down until we get to Ethereum. We put them all on one page to make it really easy for you guys. So let's come down here and let's take a look at Ethereum. We got EOS, and then we've got Ethereum. Let's start at the top here. The market cap strength for Ethereum, people are putting money into Ethereum right now, which shows me that there's confidence right now in Ethereum, that people are buying this on the dip. And if people thought that the market was just going to keep heading down, guys, I don't think they would be transitioning money into Ethereum. Overall, you can see that this is actually an uptrend pattern here. So as this starts moving up here, this actually shows the confidence that people are taking their money literally out of other altcoins and they're putting it into Ethereum. This to me is bullish. Take a look at this. Long trades are clearly far surpassing short trades as far as volume on the Bitfinex exchange. So when you guys see this, this does give me a sentiment indicator to say, all right, well, where are people placing their money? Because where they place their money is where they place their confidence. A lot of people are placing their money long in Ethereum right now. Take a quick look up here. This is kind of why I like them on the same page. Take a look at Bitcoin right now. The same thing is happening and has been happening where the volume of long trades is far surpassing that of short trades. Okay? So this is why I've been calling you guys, like, I think we may be getting close to a bottom. Now let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at actually the metric here that shows us the percentage chance of a move up and a move back down. Love this thing. So what you guys are looking at here is basically when this metric pushes up, if you ever get anywhere close to the 80, 90 to 100s, this is where we really need to be watching moves back down, okay? Strong correlations to when this gets up into the top markets up here, where we're sitting about 80 to 90 to 100%, the market's probably going to look to be overextended, and that's where we're looking for the moves back down. Or in some cases like this, entire bear markets to start. Pretty crazy, okay? Or sometimes you're just going to get up here and it's going to say, hey, we're at the top, we're looking for a move back down. So here, let me make this really practical for you guys. For those of you guys looking to go long, the best place to go long is when this is in the bottom section here between, let's say, 90 to 100%. Really big confirmation and high degree chance that the market's going to actually head up in this area. And we can see this over here as well. When we got down here, we did see a move back up. This also looked to call the bottom here before I move up. So let's take this and move to the forefront. What we see right now is we currently see we are at about a 61, maybe 62% chance of a move back down. This makes sense because we have been moving up here, and also the structure is overextended to the upside and whales are buying, and eventually once they start buying, they eventually start looking to sell off, which drops the market back down. Do you guys see like what I'm teaching you on this video? Once whales start buying a lot, they eventually do sell, and that's what actually shifts the market back over. So looking at the percentage over here, this shows us that the percentage chance of move down is pushing above 50%. We're pushing into about 60% chance. So if I had to flip a coin right now, I would say we have a higher percent chance of going down here, I would say in the next couple of days, and just continue to skyrocket up here and past this structure high here. That is what our metrics are showing us. So overall, I don't think we're going to end up passing, let's say even tomorrow or Friday, I don't think we're going to climb up here above, $1,300. I think that's pretty aggressive. I think we're actually due for maybe just a little bit more of a move up and actually a move back down based off our metrics. And you guys can watch this now. So hopefully you guys got a lot of good stuff out of this. The indicators are in the description. Those are obviously like literally the best sell we have ever ran on our indicators. We've ran this sell before. I want to be clear about this, but we don't run it lower than this. You guys are going to be able to get what's equivalent to 84% off our bundle pack or $50 off of this. You're going to get all of our indicators, price as well, money flow, trend exhaustion, trend dashboard. Those are all yours. And then you're going to get 6 other indicators on top of this, which you guys are going to be able to receive with the bundle pack. It's pretty sweet. 2 Forex indicators never coded on TradingView before. This is what's called our jackpot indicator. It's super awesome. Please use it responsibly. But you guys get the source codes, lifetime access, and all the indicators. And this is the lowest price we'll have. So make sure you guys snag it because you literally have 3 days left. We're going to up this price on Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Last but not least, if you guys made it to the end of the video, our membership where we're calling out trades, you guys are able to access that. All the metrics I just went over to access the market, that's where you guys want to be, looking at those metrics and all these coins to assess the healthiness of your coin or to assess the market before you guys get into a long trade or short trade. This is going to help you guys excel greatly. Look at the testimonials we've got from people over here. They are doing very well. I won't bore you with all this, but this guy literally took $150 and turned it into $3,000 just with the indicators alone. That's what I'm saying, guys. Definitely get over here, snag that, and then definitely be over here because we're going to be calling out some more trades over here in the inside tips. That's going to be called out for you guys. We've done, if DOT closes, I'll end this video with this. If DOT closes, the trade that we're in for the scalping trade, that will have been a total of 40% called out in the last, I don't know the exact date, but it's since May 18th. And here's the current trade setup. That's our break-even entry right there. That is it. And then our 4% take profits right there. If this wins, guys, that will be 40%. If we win this before Friday, we will have averaged over 0.65% a day since we've been keeping track of these scalping, the entries on here. This is pretty stinking awesome. And you guys can see that whole video of how to scalp with us on the front page under getting started right there. All the links you guys need are in the description. I also pinned it to the first comment of this video. I love you guys. God bless you so much. And I'll see you guys later. Alrighty, bye-bye.